Greeting, human! You know, your NFT can be more than just a collection. We provide you with a way to borrow or lend funds through NFT. First thing you need to do is to connect your wallet so we can detect your assets. Second, click on the NFT Lending page and you will see various of collaterals. Since you are here to borrow funds, not lend, so let's click on the Borrow page. Scroll down and you can browse all of your NFTs. Click on the specific NFT you want to mortgage. Let's pick this one. And you can set your loan value, repayment value, and duration of mortgage. After setting all the values, click on the red button. Check the terms and click the Confirm button. And your NFT is now listed as collateral. It will be removed from in wallet to in collateral. The NFT will be input to the smart contract, waiting to be lent out. As long as someone picks your loan order, you will receive the funds. Before the due date, you need to repay the funds plus interest, so that you can safely get your NFT back. If you couldn't repay the funds, your NFT will be transferred to the lender, which means you will lose this NFT. We hope this will never happen. First thing first, connect your wallet. And also, click on the NFT Lending page. Here you will find all kinds of collateral waiting to be lent out. You can click on each NFT to view its lending conditions. Click on the one that you are satisfied with its conditions. If you accept the terms, click the red button. Confirm the terms. Please note that we will charge 5% interest as transaction fee. In this case, the interest is one flow. So we will charge 5% of one flow, which is 0.05 flow. It means you will receive 200.95 flow in the end. Click the Confirm button. And your funds are now lent out. You can view each loan order on the lend page. If the borrower repays on time, the funds will automatically return to your wallet, like this one and this one. But if the loan expires, it means the borrower did not repay, like this one. You can click on the expiry button, confirm the overdue loan. Click the expiry button. Click to confirm. This NFT will be transferred to your wallet, which means you can get this NFT because the borrower did not repay the funds. This is all the steps of NFT lending on Mantle Finance. If you have any questions, leave a message below. We will see you next time.